So we are in Pikes Peak. Some of you might be wondering what this train is. They actually had a cog train here that went all the way from Colorado Springs up to the top. It used to take about an hour and a half, but it's been out of service. It's actually 150 years old, and it's hard to find parts for it. They said the carts are actually made in Switzerland, so it's been real hard for them to get parts. But the talk is they're redoing the building up here and should be done by 2020, and they're saying that by 2020 the cog should be ready to go. But that's what all these trails are, or train tracks that you see here. Pretty interesting. I would have loved to taken that up there.
Yeah.
Would have been a very interesting trip.
Yeah, it's like a beautiful.
It's kind of cool because in the last 2 weeks we've done 2 14ers.
This
We
doesn't
did
count.
Mount Bierstadt, where we actually hiked up. It was 4 hours up and 3 hours down. Actually, I'll link right up here on our hike over there. That was beautiful. This one, obviously, we drove up. We didn't hike up. Even though there's some areas you can actually pull off. I think it's in mile marker 16. You can actually park your car there and hike all the way up. But we didn't do that. We were actually in Garden of the Gods yesterday and did quite a bit of hiking there. So, you know, we take our time. You get older, you get smarter. But if you're interested in any more of our hiking videos and stuff like that in our adventures, please look at the link below, subscribe, hit that bell button, and follow us. I'm actually going to be doing a lot more cooking videos. People have been asking for that, so I guess I have to start cooking again. No more going
RV
out.
cooking
RV cooking
by Chef Juan.
by Chef Juan, which you're going to love.